Let us talk about one of the most debated topics as per Vastu, that is the placement of mirrors. I'm sure you guys must have heard a lot of your clients as well, because this is a myth that is running around many parts where people tell that it's not auspicious to have any dressing table or mirror reflecting your bed. Now, let us try to understand the truth behind it. If you guys have followed me till here with my previous sessions, I'm sure you guys do know that most of the times any item or elements that is placed in a space does not depend on which facing it is, but more importantly, which zone it lies. Similarly, the placement of mirror is more based on which zone it is placed in rather than which side it is facing. So, keeping this in mind, the most fundamental core of mirrors, or the fundamental ideology behind mirrors, mirror is generally compared to a water element because of its reflective surface and the kind of surface it actually has. So, we consider this as a water element. So, the best place to keep this particular mirror can be kept in the northeast zones, east northeast zones, or any zone that is related to the water element, because it would be equating to the elemental property, along with which increasing the attributes associated to it and increasing the positive energies into the space. One fundamental thing that you must remember is, since this is based on an elemental level, always make sure any anti-element zones for water, the mirror should not be placed. That is, if you have a south or a southeast zone, these are basically fire elements, right? And if you're going to go about keeping a mirror in a fire element, mirror is considered as a water element item. So here again, it would act as an anti-element and it would cause negative repercussions. So avoid placing it genuinely in the fire element, mostly because this is one of the most affected zones as their anti-elements. There are other certain criterias, like if you keep it in your southwest zone, if you keep a mirror, whatever facing it to the bed or however it is, or even if you keep it in the zone, there are chances that there might be expectations from partners, or there might be negative connotations attached to this, disrupting the flow and harmony in a relationship. Similarly, when we look into, say, south southwest, which deals with expenditure, even there might be excessive expenditure having a placement of mirror in this particular zone. So make sure you place the mirrors either in friendly zones to water, or the actual water elements that you have. Or if you have been following through our previous sessions and you're aware of the entire concept of element, cycle of control, cycle of creation, and cycle of destruction, you can go about keeping those considerations and understanding whether it is the right thing to keep in your space or not. But again, repeating myself, it is a big no in the fire zone, keeping in mind that water and fire are anti elements.